Travolta Martin.
Ashe.
Sandra Bland.
Ashe.
Darius Smith.
Ashe.
Mike Brown.
Ashe.
Michael Noyle.
Ashe.
To the ancestors and the relations of the South, we give you love, honor, and recognition, and say your name. Ashe.
Ashe.
And to the fallen, those gone too soon in many ways, from medical mispractice, domestic violence, child abuse, intercommunal violence, suicide.
Yes.
Murder.
Yes.
We send you love, honor, and recognition, knowing there are too many names to name. Special honor today to Dr. Francis Cress Welsing.
Ashe.
To my son, Katari Gant.
Ashe.
To my son, Anthony Karan.
Ashe.
To our ancestors in all the directions, the cousins, the aunts, the uncles, the fathers, the mothers, the beloved ones. Take a moment and center, think their names, call forth those whose spirit, whose beauty, whose grace, whose intelligence, whose genius, whose power, whose strength, whose courage, whose life, whose creativity and adaptability and self-care and self-love that you want to carry with you and embody and manifest to you. For those named and unnamed, known and unknown, we say Ashe.
Ashe.